Yes, may I use Jamaica as an example, people. May I use Jamaica as an example because I them I grew up. So may I use this as an example. Let's look at Jamaica as an example. When our ancestor get them so-called freedom from slavery after they stop work on the plantation for free. Let's look at that. The law them what them make was to keep down the same black people them. The law them what they make because no law never there to protect us before slavery. It's now that we free from slavery, they make them law to keep us in track and to hold us down. And come on through all of that, Jamaica ruled by the British throughout the years where black people never have a say in them law with them farm for govern us or rule over us. And we can see throughout history, so them law is biased towards us. Even to the day, them law with them make is biased towards us. And come on and we come down until we get our so-called independent and a rule over ourselves. How can you use the same law what was made to use against us as a people rule your own black people? How can you question I'm asking yeah? Say somebody willing to give me the answer. We can all have a debate on it if somebody willing to give me the answer. But a question me a throw out there. So let's come on and look at that. How can you use that rule over your own people? Let's look at the type of slave them sent to Jamaica. It was the most rebellious people them. The most rebellious people them in terms of our ancestor, unruly people them that them sent to Jamaica. Figure work on the slave plantation. So when you look at those bias law or law that was made to use against us and I use them to govern us, what you think gonna Mr. Politician? A rebellion still in a way, so we are gonna rebel against it. It rebellion still in our us so we are gonna automatically rebel against something that we seen bias or injustice or unfair towards us. So you can't expect it to play out no other way. You can't expect it to play out no other way. So if you want us to work with you have to change some of them law there. Because those law was not made for us. Those law was meant to use against us and to keep us down and to keep us under submission. Come like when you put a bridle, a brace in a donkey mouth or in a horse mouth, so you can keep control. Keep them under submission. That's what those law was made for. Those law never made to for us to develop as a people and move forward. And therefore, that's why you see the law, it becomes so unfair towards poor people because those who them give them scholarship or send them for them type of education or university or college and go get them and go program them the way them want program them and have them a come rule over us and now wanna lead us. Them have no foresight because them under the program, so them not think about change the law. So the law can work in our favor. And that's why them say the law only benefit the rich. That's why them say that, because the poor people are the normal person out there like me and you. They don't have the money to go pay a lawyer to get them right. So all when them right, them end up wrong. Because they don't have the financial backing to go pay a lawyer to defend them. So people, make we try and look into things and understand what go on here. And I hope one day our so-called representation from politicians can wake up and smell the rat and make these people stop use them as puppet and represent the normal man out there on the street here. And change law with it benefit the people them. And not just the wealthy people them. Blessing to each and every one as JR continue with another reflection. Remember, we trod the hill upon Mother Earth together. No one is an island, no one stand alone. The planet after the whole of we, not just one. Blessing my people.